Hello, we want to find the value of these trigonometric identities. Now, let's first of all convert them from radian to degree. What is pi over 3? That is what? 180 degree all over 3, which is 60 degree. Fine. What is pi over 6? That is what? 180 degree all over what? 6. That is 30 degree. Beautiful. And what is pi over 4? Pi over 4 is what? 180 degree all over 4. Okay? And because that will give us what? 45 degree. Fine. So now, sine square, therefore, sine square, pi over 3 is 60 degree. 60 degree will be equals to what? Will be equals to sine 60 degree times sine 60 degree. And sine 60 degrees is a special angle. That is what? Root 3 all over 2 times root 3 all over 2. What is the square root of root 3 all over 2? Now, root 3 times root 3 is what? 3, because root 3 times root 3 is root 9. And what is the square root of the root 9? Now, the square root of 9 is 3. 2 times 4, we have 4. 2 times 2 rather, 2 times 2. We have 4 there. Now for cos square, our pi over 6 is 30 degree. 30 degree will be cos 30 degree times cos 30 degree. Okay? And what is cos 30? Is equal to what? Root 3 all over 2 times another root 3 all over 2. It's equal to give us what? 3 all over 4. Fine. Now for tan square 45 degree. Okay, it's another special angle, which is what? Tan 45 degree times tan 45 degree. And that's what? 1 times 1, which is equals to what? 1. Fine. So we have been able to simplify this. Let's fix the values. Let's fix the values. Okay? Now, how do we fix the value? Fine. We can now say that, sine square pi over 3 is giving us what? That implies we have 3 over 4 minus cos square pi over 6 is also 3 over 4. Then plus this one, tan square pi over 4 is 1. So 3 over 4 minus 3 over 4 cancelled. So you have what? Plus 0. 0 plus 1 is what? 1. So the answer to this is what? Is 1. The answer to this is 1. That's the answer. Bye.